Welcome back once again to Shutterflow TV. Ron here. I wish everyone a blessed and a beautiful day. Thanks to all my fans and all the support, all my subscribers, and to everyone that support this channel. We just want to talk some brief things about just some basic stuff, what people been asking me. What's the reason about meditation? What the outcome? What's the result? And where does this lead and stuff like that. Well, I just want to say, listen, reason why meditation is such a vital thing, it's good for your mind, your body, and your soul. You understand? A lot of stuff people don't understand in life because they were not taught or they didn't get the experience. And because they don't understand, then this is where a lot of people get confused and they don't know the reason for meditation. You hear meditate, meditate, but they don't know the reason why. Now listen, meditation is very important. If you want to transcend yourself to a different realm, dimension, this is why meditation is very important. Each time you go to a high level vibration, meditation level, you bring back something in this physical world within your body. Calmness, peace, full of joy, and a different level of energy flow around you. You understand what I'm saying? Now, listen this now. Meditation is the same link into spirituality. Let me say it again. Meditation is linked with spirituality. A lot of people is scared of spirituality because they think it's bad. You understand what I'm saying? They don't know better. Let me tell you something. Each and every one of us go to sleep at night, right? Our spirit roams the universe. When we wake up in the morning, it's back. So all of us here, we are spiritual. You understand? That's the eternal part of you. The part that lives forever. You understand? It knows. It sees. It's beyond time and space. You understand what I'm saying? That's the center. That's the beauty of spirit. Right? So you cannot be scared of the spirit, because if you're scared of the spirit, you're scared of your own self. Now, meditation is the fuel to drive that force of energy over to the other side, your eternal side, where the love, the joy, the peace, the forevermore, the oneness, that's the place. You understand? And that's where meditation comes in to give you that level, to climb to that level of vibration into a different room, dimension, place, wherever. Feeling can be just a feeling, can just be a warm feeling over your body. It don't have to come into the way how you think everybody is unique, so they have to do it their way. You understand? Remember, I tell you, now you're going to begin your journey on your meditation path. There are things that you need to know. Now, once you start to meditate wherever, which you would wonder how you meditate. Meditate is just that you want to have a positive vibes and feeling. You know what I mean? You ever listen to some song and you feel the goosebumps are run up and down and you feel good? That's it. That's a part of it right there. So that's the sensation and energy you want to feel yourself into. You understand? This is the place you want to be. But once you start to consume these high level of energy focusing into your body, you're going to have to change some stuff, some eating habit, because that high energy that is coming in, it will need to resonate with the older energy that's in your body. So if your energy level is more of, contain of many things, certain toxic food for your body, it's not good for you. You want to eat more light-based food, more plants, vegetable, and if you're, probably eating too much meat, you need to slow down and, start eating more healthy, where you know that energy, once your body change out with the food, what you're eating, then that energy can resonate with your body, and then you can contain a high level at all the times. So this is the real purpose for meditation. And we have much more to talk about, but we'll tune in until next time. Have a blessed and a wonderful day.